everybody, Clinton here, Oval Window Racing. Today, it's been a nice day here in Lower Michigan. We're going to take a field trip. I'm on the way to pick my buddy Doug up, and we're going to try to catch some fish today. Sun's shining, it's predicted to be in the 50s. Just hoping that the water's going to be warm enough where the fish are going to be active. So let's go get Doug. Hey, it's Clint and Doug. You seen those commercials yet?
No.
That's an insurance commercial, and it starts out emu, emu, and Doug. You got this ostrich and this guy running around, so I gotta laugh. Alright, well, I think we decided to go fish on a lake, a small lake, southern Michigan. And targeted species, hopefully, are northern pike.
Bass.
And, well, yeah, anything that bites. So join us at the lake and hope that we catch some of those snot rockets. Alright, we made it out to the lake. I'm still busy getting set up. Sometimes I wish I would travel a little lighter, because my buddies over there are already starting to fish. Picked this deeper beeper up a year ago. Used it all last summer. I'm pretty happy with it. A little touchy in shallow water. It gives you your basic. Whether or not you have a weed-filled bottom or how deep the water is, how solid the bottom is. It even marks fish every now and then. Water temperature. I guess that's probably the key. At least this time of year. Today I'm going to throw this little glide bait by 6 cents. It's got a nice perch pattern to it. It'll look good in the stained water we have here. Go over and see how Doug's doing. Oh, you got the anchor down? Oh, it's a little windy here. Any bites? I've been marking them out about 5 feet. Fish. Yeah, it says it's about 5 to 6 feet deep, and it's been marking some fish. I don't know if they're panfish or bass, but
Little surface bait. Worm was not working.
well, you're about 2.5 feet deep here. Which the water is warmer here. 55, but that's good enough to get them to move. See if there's any hungry big critters feeding on the little critters. Probably the bad thing on this deeper beeper, it's a little stubborn in shallow waters. It doesn't like anything that's under 4 feet. But it's my first experience with fish finders, and I don't know if that's the norm for
Any other fish finders or not? Bring my other pole. The way this wind is, it's almost good just to throw a worm down and let the wind blow you across the water and just troll it. I don't think that was the bottom. My hook's all strangled up there funny. I'll throw that over there again. Kapunk. I didn't bring my gloves and the wind is a little chilly. When I last looked at my truck, the outside temperature was about 42 degrees. I think Doug said he switched over to a buzz bait. Getting topwater action. I'm gonna try this little area over here. Looks like a little creek runs in. I'm gonna throw topwater. Doug's throwing the old buzz bait. I'm gonna throw the old Whopper Plopper 75. First, I'm gonna take off old Lucky Red here. Oh, this Lucky Red. This is a rattle trap. Picked that up a year ago. Man, I caught a lot of fish on that last year. Don't care if they're bass or pike, they're hitting it. Same with this Whopper Plopper. Yeah, the wind's got me going backwards again. Yeah, there's that big bird again. I'm thinking that's a turkey vulture. That there, hawk. It's like a red tail. Lost my GoPro. Son of a bitch. Get him out. It's gone. One GoPro gone.
Huh?
One GoPro gone.
Right.
I had it stuck on the side of the boat here and it fell off. Lost it. Yeah, I heard a kaplunk. I looked down and it was gone. It sank so fast I couldn't even grab it. It's a good thing I don't pay a lot for them. I hope that it's not the one with the footage from the truck though. And it's not like it, you know, you're going to see it. I was hoping, I should have been keeping a better eye on it because I knew it was just stuck there, they just glue on. And I was kind of hoping to see the angle because I actually got one I can actually permanently mount it. But yeah, they had that nice little ball stick on it. Right around here. Yeah. I just heard a kaplunk and boom, it was gone. Give the whopper plopper another try. I wonder what's got the geese all angry. That don't work too well. Alright, let's try not to do that again. What a mess. And they're casting, try to catch my pole behind me. Get something? Little tiny one? There is fish in this lake. Well, I kept marking a really big one over there. I don't know if it was a carp or if it was just a bigger bass. What'd you catch him on? Oh, really? Hey, you caught something. And I lost something. Well, it's a good thing I don't buy them new.